Hello students, Metal and Non-Metal Part 2. We are going to learn chemical properties of metals and non-metals in this video. You know electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is the basis of chemical behavior of elements. Majority of metals have up to 3 electrons in their outermost shell. See the table on page number 50. Sodium, magnesium and aluminium. There are atomic numbers and electronic configuration is given in this table. So metals have tendency to lose their valence electrons to form positively charged ions. See example of sodium. Its electronic configuration is 281. There is one electron in the outermost shell. So metal have tendency to lose electron. So sodium lose one electron. And the electronic configuration after losing the electron is 2,8. In magnesium, 2,8,2 is the electronic configuration. In outermost shell there are 2 electrons and magnesium lose 2 electrons and electronic configuration is 2,8. In aluminium, 2,8,3 is electronic configuration. Aluminium lose 3 electrons from the outermost shell and forms aluminium ion, positively charged. Reaction with oxygen. Metals combine with oxygen to form their oxides. Metal and oxygen forms metal oxide. Metal oxides react with an acid to form salt and water. Metal oxide and acid. See, NaOH is the example. Sodium hydroxide and HCl, hydrochloric acid, forms NaCl and H2O, sodium chloride and water. Reaction with acid. Metal with dilute acid, salt and hydrogen gases form. Sodium plus HCl forms NaCl and hydrogen gas. Reaction with water. Metals do not show fast reaction with water, but metals like sodium and potassium react with cold water to produce their hydroxides and hydrogen gas. See chemical properties of non-metals. Electronic configuration. Most of the non-metals have 4 to 7 electrons in the valence shell. See page number 51, there is a table. Non-metals are nitrogen, oxygen and chlorine. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So electronic configuration is 2,5. In oxygen, atomic number is 8. So electronic configuration is 2,6. And in chlorine, 17 atomic number and electronic configuration is 2,8,7. See in the outermost shell, there are 4 to 7 electrons in the outermost shell. See, non-metals have tendency to accept electrons in their valence shell to form negatively charged ions called anions. Chlorine. Electronic configuration is 2,8,7 and so it accepts one electron and forms chlorine ion. 2,8,8 is the electronic configuration after accepting electron. Oxygen 2,6. So it accepts 2 electrons and forms oxide ion. Nitrogen 2,5. So it accepts 3 electrons and forms nitride ion. Reaction with oxygen. Non-metals combine with oxygen to form their oxides. Non-metal and oxygen, there is non-metal oxide. Example is carbon plus oxygen forms CO2. The oxides of nonmetals are acidic in nature. They react with bases to form soluble salt and water. See, CO2 plus NaOH forms Na2CO3 plus H2O. The oxides of nonmetals react with water to form an acid. When CO2 combines with H2O, forms H2CO3 carbonic acid. SO2 sulfur dioxide plus water forms sulfurous acid H2SO3. SO3 plus H2O forms H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Non-metals do not react with dilute acids. Now we are going to learn noble metals. Metals like gold, silver, platinum, palladium and rhodium are noble metals. They occur in nature in the elemental state. Pure gold. What is pure gold? It is also called 24 karat gold. Ornaments are made from pure gold. Goldsmith mix it with certain portion of copper or silver. And 22 karat gold is smaller carat value. What are the uses of noble metals? You know, gold, silver, platinum are used to prepare ornaments. Silver is used in medicines. Gold, silver are used to make medals also. Gold, silver are also used to make electronic devices. Platinum, palladium metals are used as a catalyst. Now, purity of gold. Page number 52, there is a table that shows carat and percentage of a gold. When it is 100%, their carat is 24. When it is 91.66%, so it is 22 carat. Like that, there are 18, 14, 12 and 10 carat gold are there and their percentage is given in this table. Corrosion. Metals in presence of air, gas, moisturizer. There is a reaction to form metal compound. Metals get affected by this process is called corrosion. Example, see, reddish colored deposit is formed on iron by reaction with oxygen gas. A blackish colored deposit is formed on silver by reaction with hydrogen. So to prevent corrosion of metals, layers of oil, grease, also plating and painting with oil paint is a due to this process corrosion cannot occur as a chemical reaction. When we paint it, there is no corrosion and there is no reaction directly with the air gas. Alloy. What is alloy? A homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or homogeneous mixture metal with non-metals are also called alloy. See the example of stainless steel utensils. This alloy is made up of iron with carbon, chromium and nickel. An alloy of bronze is formed from copper and tin. So, we learn in metal and non-metal their physical and chemical properties in this lesson. You can write the exercise of this lesson. Thank you.